The solar-powered flat mesh camera takes high-quality still images of an asset to remotely capture significant movement. A rechargeable battery ensures the camera can operate anywhere without the need for external mains power. This camera is particularly useful in difficult-to-access environments such as earthworks, embankments and cuttings, allowing for easy remote viewing without the need for an engineer to visit site. Images can be triggered on demand or from sensor readings. When combined with tilt sensor nodes on nearby stakes, the movement of these nodes can automatically trigger an image at any time. The camera is fitted with powerful dual infrared illuminators designed for operation at night. The flat mesh camera operates through the GSM network and is tough, long-lasting and weatherproof. This allows for faster decision-making and safer working practices. Over the years, we've built a strong global client base and a reputation for product excellence and outstanding support. We listen, we innovate, we deliver. That's why we're the world leaders.